They were incredibly tolerant of, we spent a year. This is how we do it relative to our systems and processes. This is how they do it relative to their systems and processes. And after a year, it was decided, well, we're going to adopt theirs. Well, that was fait accompli, the day of the closure. They just tried the kinder, gentler thing of dragging this thing out for a year, but that was a waste of all of our time, a waste of all of our money. It's much better to just say, this is what we're going to do, get on with it, and let's all go focus and win in the marketplace. So I think that we have an education opportunity to educate senior leaders what the opportunity is to really be a concrete, objective manner, measure the culture. And once we measure what it is, then we have the opportunity to understand where it could be better and design the culture we want to have. And then we can put in place what are the steps we're going to take to achieve that. I think most of us have just been flying blind because we didn't have instrumentation. And so once it becomes more widely known, the instrumentation that's available through Devo, I think can be game changing for a lot of organizations.